Welcome to Storytime with Eric Miller. Ah, the magical world of practice ownership, where doctors effortlessly build wealth, never stress about finances, and retire with ease.
All right, bye-bye. All right, I need you to pay attention to me. So that does not happen to you. So if you've ever felt that gut punch where you're going over your profit and loss statements and it says that you made a profit, but then you look at your bank accounts and there's nothing in there. Well, you just learned a very valuable lesson when it comes to money. Number one, there's a big difference between a profit on paper than actual cash in your hand. And number two, you learn that your practice, your business is going to try to spend every flippin' dollar that it makes and then some. This is the make break of your organization. You have to understand how to manage the money before it comes into your organization. As a matter of fact, you need to know where 99 cents of every dollar is going to go before it comes into your organization. That is real financial control. You have to do something about this right now. This is the biggest risk to your organization. It is very difficult to walk back to solvency. I don't want you to do that. So take some action now to get control of your money. Most practice owners don't realize that they lost control of their money until it's too late. If you feel like you're making money but never actually seeing it, let's talk. Click the link below and we'll see what's holding you back.